The value of a weekly mastermind for experienced and new agents. Our profession is in danger of extinction if you believe this article I saw in Inman News last week. Rex Real Estate Exchange, a Los Angeles headquartered full-service brokerage that eschews the MLS, uses artificial intelligence, targeted social media marketing, and robots to sell residential property without a traditional seller's agent. Will real estate agents be replaced by technology? Or is this yet another tech startup that wastes a lot of venture capital? What are your thoughts? The value of a weekly mastermind. As a real estate entrepreneur, you are the CEO of your own company. And being the leader can be lonely. There are times when you need someone to talk with, to vent your frustrations, to bounce off ideas, or to ask questions. That's the main reason why we hold mastermind meetings every Tuesday at our office. It's an opportunity for our agents to learn, share, and exchange ideas with their peers. Masterminds are more effective than classroom training. In the classroom, the speaker presents and the audience listens. This may be motivational and educational, but at the end, it is not tailored to your specific needs. For many in the audience, it's entertainment. In a mastermind, you learn and you give back in a small group setting. You share what works for you, you reveal your challenges, and receive feedback from your peers. For some of our agents, the mastermind is a time to get away from the hustle of your real estate business. It allows them to sit back and get new motivation to master their business. Also, newer agents gain invaluable insights by listening to the war stories of more experienced agents. It's a unique chance to hear top producers share their daily challenges and secrets. If you want to participate in one of our masterminds, please reply to this video, and we will gladly let you know when you can join us. What do you want to learn? It's frustrating to see how many so-called trainers teach boring CE classes. I'm sure you have better things to do than wasting 3 hours listening to fictitious war stories without a structure of visual aids. We are considering developing new and better training classes. But first we want to find out what you want to learn. We are looking for topics that will have an impact on your business. Please comment below your ideas for possible CE classes. There are 6 topics we have in mind. Please tell me what's important to you. If you have any questions on how to improve your real estate business, call or text Kurt right now at 614-395-7375. For more expert tips and strategies, visit columbusrealestatecoach.com and follow us on Instagram at agent_insider. Thank you for watching.